In this video, we're going to work out a real-life problem for solving an equation. So here we have a table, and it says use the table to find the number of miles x that you need to bike on Friday, so that the mean number of miles biked per day is 5. So first we need to remember what the word mean is. So mean is our average. And we find that by adding up all of our values and dividing by the number of things that we added. So that tells us that we're going to need to add all of our miles together. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to have 3.5 plus 5.5 plus 0 plus 5 plus x, all divided by, and we added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember that we want this to equal the number 5, right? We want that mean to be a 5. So we have our plan set up, and now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and add all those things on our numerator. So if we do that, that's going to give us a 14 plus x over 5 equals 5. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to solve for x. So we're going to get rid of our divide by 5. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5 here. And that's going to leave us, let's move it over here, with a 14 plus x equals 25, right? Because 5 times 5 is 25. Then we're going to subtract 14 from both sides, and that's going to tell us that x equals 11. So we know that on Friday, you need to ride 11 miles to average 5 miles per day. And that is our answer. And we can look back and see if that makes sense. So if we were to plug in our 11 right here, so with a different color, if we were to plug in our 11 into that x spot, would we come up with a 5? So we can just check that really fast using our calculator, and we can add 3.5 plus 5.5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 11, and then divide that by 5, and that's going to give us an answer of 5. And so we see that that is correct and it is reasonable.